save thousands in taxes simply by starting a small business. So, hello, welcome back to my channel, Real World Problems. Today we're going to be discussing how you can save thousands in taxes simply by starting a small business. So, if you're on the fence and are thinking about starting a business, you're in luck. I'll give you one amazing reason why by the end of this video, you will kick yourself for not starting a business sooner. But first, do me a favor and help support my channel by smashing that notification bell and subscribing down below. Okay, let's dive right in. Well, are you ready for one of the biggest reasons why you should start a business and how you can literally save thousands? Here it is. Tax, write-offs, and depreciation. Let me explain. Here's a quick example. So let's say you and your wife each make $50,000 a year. So combined, you're making $100,000 annually. Your tax rate is roughly, let's say, 15%. So you end up owing the IRS $15,000. Now, let's say you decide to start a business. And let's say one of your first major purchases is a $30,000 new car. Okay. So let's think hypothetical. So let's say your business, let's say it breaks even its first year, which is not uncommon because of startup costs. You got building your customer base, et cetera, et cetera. If you make money your first year in business, that's nothing short of a miracle. Most businesses struggle their first year or even couple of years while they're in the building phase. So let's just focus on building that business. Okay. After you complete your taxes, you start to realize you can not only depreciate your car, but you also write off every single business expense you can get a receipt for. After all is said and done, your total taxable income is more like $40,000 to $50,000. At $50,000 a year for, let's say, a family of four, roughly your taxes are closer to zero. That's a saving of $15,000 in taxes. But wait, there's more. If your income, let's say after all the depreciation is, let's say $50,000 for a family of four, that basically puts you near, according to statistics and IRS, it's basically near the poverty line. So guess what now? You can qualify for child earned income credits. That can result in thousands of extra dollars in tax refunds. So let's look back. Okay, so you not only saved $15,000 in taxes, you might even get back some money because you now qualify for earned income credit where you didn't before. And now you have a business that's growing, and you have a car that you probably wouldn't have been able to afford before. That's real property. So thinking about it, if you're ever wondering how guys like Jeff Bezos and other billionaires pay no taxes, that's basically the gist of it. So when you have a business, especially a profitable one, you want to spend your profits in a way so that by tax season, your depreciation and write-offs, it makes it look like you're making very little money. All the while, your business is building equity in real physical property like cars, real estate, equipment, etc., while at the same time, you're building your brand and building your customer base. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and others actually don't take home that much money compared to their net worth or what their company is making. They're only rich because they reinvest all their profits and slowly build it into an empire worth billions on paper alone. And how they do this is, do you really think if, let's say, Jeff Bezos made $1 billion last year, do you think he really deposits that $1 billion in his checking account? No. He reinvests that, and so that way he doesn't pay taxes on that $1 billion, because everything you can reinvest, you can write off. So he just takes a small little chunk to pay his bills and whatever else, and to pay what taxes he does pay when he takes that small amount out. And that's it. So, so that's how it's done. So now, I'm not an accountant or a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube discussing real world problems and solutions. So definitely protect yourself and do your own due diligence. So if you like this video and you'd like to learn more about how to come up with that perfect business idea, click on the link above and watch my other video. It's called Coming Up with Business Ideas. So thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and smash that notification bell and subscribe. That way you don't miss any new content on how to tackle real world problems. Have a great day and peace out.